All right, let's make a start with your IELTS speaking test. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's start. You should answer. Do you write a lot?
Yes, I write a lot because I am a working woman, and I currently am doing my job in Mindbridge, which is basically a call center. I'm providing my customer service there, so I have to work a lot on computer, and
Okay. What do you like to write?
I like to write many things. For example, um, due to my current job, I have to write customer concern, their queries, and I have to answer them accordingly. And for that purpose, I like to write notes, and I like to write appropriate answers
Okay.
according to their queries.
Okay. Do you think the things you write will change in the future?
Yeah, it will change according to the customer's demand. As I said, that their queries were basically depend upon that project, which will absolutely change in the future.
Okay. Do you prefer typing or handwriting?
I prefer typing because, according to my current situation, I'm I'm well accustomed to that.
Okay, this answer is short, so you need to add some more. Like, as per my job setup, I have to write emails, so I mostly type. And sometimes, if I have to make personal notes or if I have to set any appointment, then I use pen and paper. But most of my writing is done on computer. Something like that, okay? Just complete your answer. All right, let's go on. It's your turn. What type of weather do you like?
Uh, yeah, I like rainy weather
Hmm.
because I feel happy. Um so I mostly like rainy weather.
All right. See, you answered in three sentences. First and last sentences, they are same.
Same.
So try to elaborate your answer. If there is nothing in your answer, you will get low bench score. If you only repeat the question three times, you will not get good bench score. You need to expand on your answer, okay? Let's go on. What's your favorite season and why?
I like spring season because there are many flowers and every place is full of beautiful flowers like sunflower, roses, jasmine, वगैरह, like
Jasmine, etc.
yeah.
Okay, try to speak actively, and this vagera and
Sorry,
G
sorry,
is
sir.
not there in English. Okay, so
Sorry.
try to speak English. Now, let's go on. Do you prefer dry weather or wet weather? Wet weather means rain, dry weather means sun.
Yes. I like dry weather because in dry weather I easily move to some place to another place and easily enjoy every.
Easily enjoy, it's not proper sentence structure, so you need to focus your English grammar and especially the sentence structure. I can easily enjoy if the weather is dry. On the other hand, when it rains, there's a lot of rainwater on roads, I cannot go from one place to
To
another.
another place.
Something like that, okay? So focus your grammar, improve your grammar, then it'll be fine. Now let's go on. Do you like winter or summer?
I like summer season uh, because it is easy to go outside and enjoy.
All right, it is easy to go outside and enjoy. You're taking too much time. So you need to practice all these topics so that answers are readily available in your mind. You know, when you go for IELTS speaking test, if you practice all these topics beforehand, answers will be readily available. And if you don't practice, they will be a surprise for you. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.